So first when you get this window here, first go to tools, go to leveling and start so when you click on the start button, so ensure all the platform and everything is clean. Make sure no dust enters this printer. So you should have a paper. Did you find any paper like black color cards and that? Just in here, make sure this paper enters this gap smoothly.
No, it's not right.
Let's see, we need an A4 sheet.
It is not going to have to adjust.
So, while you're in food stirring,
Yeah.
so if it is stirring, you can adjust this one. Please. Okay.
Loose.
So adjust this point like this. So it should move freely, not too gap, not too gap or not too tight. So it should be like on the middle. Like if you turn for one round, it should get tight. Now you see, little bit of the friction will be there, but anyway the paper can move. Yeah. So likewise here you can adjust and so once this side is done, you can view the next. If you press this button, it will go to the next side here.
It also same.
So here also like that only same, like you can adjust. Now it is like you can see, you can feel the friction here. Still it's moving, so this is fine.
Next.
And what is next? So here also you can check. This is also the required friction is there. If it is okay, you can do it. Otherwise, you can adjust here. Kinda ikkada oka knob undi, clockwise, low anti-clockwise you can adjust. And then once if all the three sides you have done leveling, you can give next. So adjustment is completed. Then you can go back. Now, so to insert the filament, you can go to the filament. So down for install,
Nozzle.
you are giving the filament inside the nozzle. If you want to change the nozzle, you have to click on up. Once the heat is done, then you can take it out. Okay, here also to inserting the filament, so you have to wait until you get the temperature. Like for example, if I am taking it down, so which extruder that you want, you have to select that one.
Do preheating.
So which one? Right one we needed. So click on this right. This is to turn on the temperature to increase. This is to turn off the temperature. Okay. If you want right this side, if you want left this side. you can insert the filament like down. I think it is already inserted, and that's why you are getting that sound. Now it is coming. So preheat is very, you have to do that before itself. Some printers will preheat, but it will heat by itself. But here preheat first you have to do, then you can download the filament. Once the filament is done, you can see that that lines of filament melted thing comes out. Then you can go back, again go to the print. Before that, ensure you have inserted the pen drive here. Then print. So here, this is to move the cursor up and down. So our file is here, pulley wheel.g code. So press that, and here you can see this is the start button. This is to delete the file, and this is to go back. So press the start button. It will show you how much time it will take here. It will be shown here, and how much printer got done, that will be shown here. And this is about the bed temperature, and this is about the nozzle's temperature.
In Dremel, we are having 20%, 50%.
How much filament, how much length of filament that you require for this.
In Dremel, we won't get that one.
This is a nice printer actually. When you compare with Dremel, this is really nice. First quality printer. So then it will start its print by its own.